Yesterday I was taught you the strange case of Britain. In this chapter, our topic long drawn out process, ethnic groups, and the English Parliament के बारे में पढ़ाया था. टुडे इन दिस टॉपिक में फोर्थ नंबर एक्सलेशन ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस, एक्सटेंशन ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस में देखिए विद द ग्रोथ ऑफ द इंग्लिश नेशन इन टर्म ऑफ वेल्थ, importance and power, it was able to extend its influence over the other nations of the islands. The Act of Union 1707 between England and Scotland resulted in the formation of the United Kingdom of Great Britain. It meant in effect that England was able to impose its influence on Scotland, and the British Parliament was henceforth dominated by the English members. Scotland's distinct culture and political institutions were systematically suppressed. The Catholic clans that inhabited the Scottish Highlands suffered terrible repression whenever they attempted to defend their independence. Now, position in Ireland. Ireland was divided between Catholic and Protestants. The English helped the Protestants of Ireland to establish their dominance over a large Catholic country. Catholic revolt against British dominance were suppressed. Incorporation. After the failed revolt led by O'Fonnell, his United Irishmen, Ireland was forcefully incorporated into the United Kingdom in 1801. A new British nation was forged through the propagation of dominant English culture. They promoted their English language, national anthem, and the British flag in Ireland also. Visualizing the nation. Allegory. Artists in the 18th and 19th century found a way out of the personifying nation. Nations were then portrayed as female figures. The female figure became an allegory of the nation. In France, the female allegory was Christiane Marne. Her characteristics were drawn from those of liberty and the republic, the red cap and tricolor, the coquette. Germania became the glory of German nation. German wears a crown of oak leaves as the German oak stands for heroism, nationalism and imperialism. By the quarter of the 19th century, the nationalists no longer retained its idealistic, liberal domestic sentiment. Instead, the nationalist group become increasingly intolerant with each other and were ready to start war. Balkan, the source of nationalist tension in Europe. The Balkans was region of geographical and ethnic variation. It composed modern-day Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, Macedonia, Croatia, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Estonia, Siberia, and Montenegro, whose inhabitants were brought known as the Slav. A large part of the Balkans was under the control of the Ottoman Empire. The spread of the ideas of romantic nationalism in the Balkans, together with the disintegration of the Ottoman Empire, made this region too explosive. The Balkans states were hostily jealous of each other, and each hoped to gain more territory from the others, leading the First World War. Each power, Russia, Germany, England, Austro-Hungary, was keen on countering the hold of other power over the Balkans and extending its control over the area. This led to a series of wars in the region, and finally the First World War. Nationalism, allied with the imperialism, led Europe to disaster in 1914. The anti-imperial movements that developed everywhere were nationalist because they all struggled to form independent nation state. People everywhere developed their own strict variety of nationalism. The idea that societies should be organized into nation state was accepted by the people as national and universal. People as natural and universal. Now, next day, read and learn important terms. Thanks.